Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using cheap soldering irons that can't get the job done? Look no further than the YIHUA 862BD SMD ESD Safe 2-in-1 soldering iron, the ultimate game changer for any electronics enthusiast. This top-rated and best-selling soldering station is a metal frame powerhouse that's built to last, with a solid feel that inspires confidence. With its ETL certification and genuine YIHUA quality, you can trust that you're getting a premium product that's designed to deliver. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among professionals and hobbyists alike. One of the key benefits of the YIHUA 862BD is its PID temperature control technology, which cycles every 20 milliseconds to detect the actual temperature of the soldering iron's heating element, quickly correcting it with a rapid return to the correct set temperature, giving you a smooth and consistent soldering experience. You'll also appreciate the 75W soldering performance, with temperature adjustable from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit and a dual-core microprocessor that powers the PID temperature stabilization, allowing you to work with precision and accuracy. The included accessories, such as the roll of lead-free solder, SGS-certified soldering tips, hot air nozzles, and ESD-safe tweezers, are all top quality and designed to make your work easier and more efficient. Whether you're a professional engineer or a DIY enthusiast, this soldering station is perfect for a wide range of applications, from repairing electronics to building prototypes, and its 0 to 99 minutes adjustable sleep mode helps extend the soldering tip and heating element's lifespan when not in use. With its impressive features and benefits, it's no wonder that the YIHUA 862BD is a top choice among electronics professionals and hobbyists, so why not give it a try and experience if this helped. Hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.